Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Key, aka Natural Debutante. I'm really excited to show you this braid out video for volume and definition on first day hair. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna do a twist out. I'm gonna use this Camille Rose Almond Dry twisting butter. I'm going to layer it with the Camille Rose Lavender Curl Defining Gel. So I'm going to do a braid out with this. Not a twist out, a braid out. We're going to see how this goes. My hair is already sectioned off and I have leave-in conditioner in here. So I'm just going to section, there's already one section. So I'm going to separate that into two. Twist this out the way. I'm going to use a little bit of the twisting butter. This is super moisturizing. Super moisturizing. And I'm going to top that with a little gel. Use just a little bit, not a lot. I'm just going to separate it into 3 sections and just do a regular braid. Going down. Both of these products smell so good too. It's crazy. They're super moisturizing. I love the gel. It gives a light hold without it being crunchy, because I don't like gels that make your hair crunchy. Like, I know everybody's like, well, it's a gel. Well, I still don't like it. And the butter, the twisting butter, leaves your hair so moisturized. So the combination, I think, is going to be great. So after I do that, I'm going to, see there's a little bit left. I'm just going to twist the ends. It's because I feel like it's going to be better for my ends when I take it down. Alright. Twist it around. So that's one of the nose on. So again, I'm going to follow up with some butter. Make sure I get my ends really well. Kind of lightly finger detangling. Ooh, that bounced back though. That bounced back though. Hey. A little bit of gel. And again, we're just going to twist it or braid it. So used to doing twist up, so we keep saying twist. We're going to braid it up. Ooh. Okay, so now my ends feel a little dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more to the ends, including a little bit more gel. So again, once I get close to the end, I'm going to twist. So I'm just going to combine them and combine the two of them and twist, because I really do not want to braid all the way to the end. I think that it would not be good for my ends. Okay, so got 2 down, a few more to go. So I'm going to continue to do the same thing throughout the rest of my hair. So I'm going to put the twisting butter and then the gel on top, braid it, twist at the ends, and we will see what the results look like. Stay tuned. So I'm back. A little late, but my camera cut out, so this is the end result here. I'll give you a 360. So I love it, I love it. Super soft, it smells amazing. Thanks to that lavender gel from Camille Rose, amazing. Okay, it gives like my hair like a soft hold. It doesn't have a huge, like a gel cast on it, and it's super moisturized. I do not like my hair not being moisturized. I'm not big on wash and goes. I don't like the gel cast. I understand that's part of having a wash and go, but I don't like that. I don't like that texture. I don't like it. I like my hair to be very soft and moisturized. So this is amazing for me. This is day 1 hair. So this is what it's looking like after, right after I took it out. Okay, right after I took it out. And I'm really excited about it. Look at that texture, baby. Look at it move, okay? As body. Really happy about it. I definitely think I'll be doing more of these in the future, but as of right now, I'm just loving it. Like if this is day 1 here, I just can't wait to see day 2 and day 3. But yeah, so see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.